Iceland, a country where fire and ice exist together. Today we explore one of the most extraordinary countries on Earth, a place whose name is linked to ice, yet whose land was born from fire. In this country, you'll find boiling hot springs surrounded by snow, vivid multicolored mountains, and a rare location where the Earth's crust is slowly separating. Yes, this is Iceland, one of the safest nations in the world, and one of the very few places where fire and ice coexist in harmony. It may sound unbelievable, but this contrast is exactly what defines Iceland. In today's video, we'll uncover astonishing facts, explore the daily life of its people, visit remarkable locations, and discover what truly makes this country unique. So stay with us until the end. And if you enjoy informative documentaries like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's begin this fascinating journey. A land shaped by volcanoes. The official name of the country is the Republic of Iceland. It may be small in size, but it is one of the most volcanically active places on the planet. Iceland is home to more than 100 volcanoes, with over 30 still active today. The reason lies beneath the surface. Iceland sits directly between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, which are slowly drifting apart. As they separate, magma from deep within the Earth rises to the surface, creating frequent volcanic activity. In fact, the entire island is made up of solidified volcanic rock. Despite its icy name, no other country has such a high concentration of volcanoes. You'll even find black sand beaches, created by cooled lava breaking down over time. Iceland is truly a natural masterpiece, a place where fire and ice exist together and where safety, education, and nature are perfectly balanced. That concludes today's documentary. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories. We'll see you again with another incredible journey. Until then, take care.